photos are taken from different angles and from different lenses. The first one is the wide angle lens, the second one is the macro, and the third one is the fish. So what's up guys, this is Mubashir from Mubashir Tech by Karachi vlog, and this video I am here to unbox these lenses. Without getting late, let's get started. Okay, so this is the box of the universal clip lens, as you see the written on the box, and this is the fisheye lens, this is the wide angle lens, and this is the macro lens. So unbox it without getting late. Sound is very crazy. Oh wow! So this is the fisheye lens, looking very awesome in this stand. So I remove it from the stand. You can see that the camera is focused on this lens. So this is the fisheye lens, and oh, what a joke! This is the cap of the fisheye lens, and if you can use the micro lens, it is placed bottom of the wide angle lens. This is the macro lens and this is the wide angle lens. 1, 2, 3. This is the stand you can fix on your phone, and this is the pouch made up of a good fabric. And so this is the review of these lenses. Now I can take some pictures and I'll show you. Okay, so I think that this lens is working better than this lens, because I am using this lens from 2 to 3 weeks and this lens is from 1 to 2 days. So this is the better result. These lenses are much better than this lens. I hope that you guys like a video, so please like, comment and share the video. If you guys watching the video and you are new on a channel, so please subscribe. So this is Mubashir signing off. Allah Hafiz.
Sorry, it's DJ.